Hi, this is Noah with Field Power Solutions. We're out here in beautiful southeastern Oklahoma at an undisclosed location, working on a system for a customer. Using the Sinclair racking, we're using concrete footings today. A lot of limestone in this ground, so we're gonna have to work with it, see what we can do. 72 panels, 2 arrays, 2 Sol-Ark 15s, and 5 of the Discover Helios batteries with a 15 kilowatt Generac prime power rated generator. It's gonna be a good one. Cylindrical footings only worked in 3 of the post locations due to a pretty massive limestone shelf here. So we have to pivot and go with a rectangular footing, about 8 to 10 feet long, 20 inches wide, and 18 inches deep. And we'll have to run rebar cage through the post just to keep everything sturdy, but she'll work. We were expecting this with this southeastern Oklahoma soil, a lot of rock. Alright, first array got it set. Height is perfect. Gonna do some rebar and also get this north array or south array done here. Concrete truck comes tomorrow at 2:30. So we'll take the morning, finish some trenching, get some pipe in the ground. It's working good. All right, out here back in southeastern Oklahoma, building this project, got the Sinclair mounts built, season adjust, getting some glass slapped up on there now. Angles are a little off there. We'll probably get it set. It's November now, so we'll probably have it set around 40 degrees for this customer on both of these arrays. Got plenty of inter-row spacing for shading, just based upon winter solstice. Turning out good. Got our trench filled back in. A couple 1.25 inches coming up. And this is what's going on in here. We got 5 of the Discover Helios batteries, 2 Sol-Ark 15Ks. And each of those batteries, those are 16 kilowatt hours a piece, so they've got just a ton of storage. When you have this many though, you do need to use a battery combiner. You can't use the internal bus bars, it's just too much amperage. So we've got a battery combiner that we're gonna use. We're gonna have generator coming in, split off to both Sol-Arks with some PDBs, power distribution blocks, and then 2 a little bit larger PDBs to recombine the load, AC load, out of the inverter. And they'll combine in PDBs and then split back off to feed the 2 main service panels. But it's coming along good. I love these Discover batteries, man. These are really great. You can just tell they're great quality. Obviously, Sol-Arks speak for themselves. No comparison. But it's coming along. All right, here we are in southeastern Oklahoma. Another beautiful day. We're charging. No grid yet, but we're charging. Got about 13 kilowatts on each. Producing. Got our battery combiner and our batteries here. Sorry for the mess, but I'll show you what we got outside. Got our 2 ground mounts here. Some pretty stellar cable management. 30 degrees right now. Sinclair Skyrack. Just pumping away, keeping those batteries full, and it's looking great. We'll keep you updated on the AC side. We haven't started on the AC side from the meter to the disconnects into the Sol-Arks and back into the loads, but we'll keep you updated. All right, we're back in southeastern Oklahoma at this project. It's now March 3rd, I believe, and we started this install in November, and I'm just coming back to do a little generator maintenance. Figured I'd take an update video. So we got our 72 JA440 modules with the Sinclair racking and the season adjust tilt. Pretty nice wire management back here. We really put a lot of time and effort into making this look right, because these are the things that like to break after 20 years in use. We got our IMO disconnects on each array. They're labeled for the modules that they serve. And our array bonding, there's a generator. Same thing back here. Got our IMO disconnects with the labels. Just a great system. These are, you can see the grade is about 2.5 feet lower. So in order to not shade our back array with the front one, the C-channel posts come up a little bit higher. And we did our spacing a little bit extra just to make sure that we don't shade. And on the winter solstice, as these are tilted a little bit steeper. But it's worked out really great here. This customer's thrilled. They have been producing far more power than they're actually consuming in their home. And we even added some more generator function. So we have a generator transfer panel here so they can transfer between the Generac Ecogen and a plug-in generator. So they can plug that in here and have either generator feed into the generator lugs inside the inverter. I'll show you that now. So we got 5 of the Discover Helios batteries. I believe it's 80 kilowatt hours total. It's a beast. This inverter has, in a few months, already produced almost 7 megawatt hours. And this one's just a little bit less, 6.5, 6.6 megawatt hours, which is amazing. And we got our batteries coming in. And our battery combiner takes all of these. When you have more than 4 Helios batteries, you have to use a third-party combiner. So that's it. Oh, the sun's coming out. So we'll be producing some more power. Really came out well. Thrilled with it. Generator's automatic based upon the inverter and the battery state of charge. And it's just overall a great system for this customer. If a system like this interests you, please give me a call. My name is Noah Beal. Phone number is 405-812-6693. And my email is noah@bealpowersolutions.com. Thanks.